Dear fellow beings, have you ever wondered what one teenager with a kind heart and a laptop can do during a crisis? Let me tell you a story called Justin's Community Compass, helping people in a crisis. It comes from Canada, and it shows how care, courage, and a clever map helped many people find their way. Justin is a teenager from Manitoba, Canada. In the summer of 2025, many wildfires caused problems for people in his province. The fires were big and dangerous. Many families had to leave their homes and look for help. Justin studies computer science. He loves technology and wants to use it to help people. When he saw the news about the wildfires, he wanted to do something to help the evacuees, people who had to leave their homes because of the fire. Justin had an idea. He decided to build a website called the Winnipeg Community Compass. This website has an interactive map. An interactive map lets people click on different places to find important information. Justin put many helpful places on the map. These places include shelters, food banks, donation centers, and medical clinics. The website shows people where they can find food, clothes, medicine, and a safe place to stay. It also helps connect donors with people who need help. Justin's dog inspired part of his work. He remembered how his dog always helped him feel calm and focused. This gave him the motivation to work hard on the website. Many people in Manitoba used Justin's website during the wildfire emergency. The website made it easier for evacuees to find help quickly. Volunteers also used the map to deliver food and supplies to people who could not leave their homes. Justin appeared on a national news program to talk about his project. His parents were very proud to see him on TV. Justin hopes his website will continue to help people in future emergencies like floods or storms. Justin's story shows how one person, even a young student, can make a big difference with technology and kindness.